I make thousands of dollars each month doing YouTube automation, but this month I tried something new. I tried using Chat GPT for every aspect of the automation, from the ideas themselves to the script, the voiceover, and even the video. I know what you might be thinking. This'll end up producing a boring video no one will want to watch. Or you might even think, there's no way this can end up being high quality or save me time. But trust me, at the end of this video, you'll thank me for saving you a bunch of time and money, because your game plan is about to change big time. Chapter 1. Preparation. For you to make a YouTube automation channel in the first place, you'll need to choose a specific niche, be it celebrities, business, crypto, dating advice, or even gaming. I recommend you choose a specific topic you'll be focusing on throughout your channel. Make sure to choose a niche with a high CPM, as they'll be the most profitable for you in the long term. As the crypto market has been on the rise again recently, I decided to go for a crypto-based channel in hopes to cash in during the upcoming bull run. For the channel name, make sure to go with something simple and rememberable. I then had to attach a banner and a profile picture, and for that, I used a Canva template to which I'll link the description. You can easily make your channel art in just a few seconds. All that was left was to add a simple description and we were set. Next thing you'll want to do is come up with some video ideas. Now, of course, you won't be doing this yourself as you have the help of Chat GPT at your disposal. Simply ask it to generate 20 video ideas for you and wait for it to respond. After a list has loaded, all you have to do is pick one of the themes that appeals most to you for your next video. Since 10 seemed lengthy, I chose to go with the top 5 cryptocurrencies to invest in 2023, as people are always searching for new investments, and it seemed right with crypto getting some hype again. Chapter 2. Execution. Now this is the part where you'll be using the generated ideas and turning them into a full-on video. Once you've chosen your niche and your video title, you'll want to go to Chat GPT once again and ask it to generate a script for you based on the title you chose. You can even tell it to add a few jokes or humor within the script to make it more lively depending on the seriousness of your video. Make sure to let it know how many words you'd like the script to be, as Chat GPT usually keeps its scripts short. This might take a bit to load depending on the Chat GPT traffic, but hey, at least you're not the one doing any work. As you're waiting for the script to load, you'll want to register a free account on Veed.io, which will be our AI software of choice where we'll edit all the audio, subtitling, and video. Once you're there, you'll be presented with a simple interface. The first thing I'll do is head over to the Media tab and click Text to Speech. Here, you'll be able to input your script, which will then generate a full AI voiceover. You might not be able to paste the whole script at once due to the character limit, so make sure to chop your script up into 2 to 3 parts to avoid this error. Once you get your audio recordings, you want to line them up on the timeline. The next step is the video. For the video, you'll want to head over to the Media tab once again and search for stock videos. Simply input keywords related to your channel and choose some fitting clips presented, and make sure to line them up on the timeline as well. The next part is subtitles. For this, you'll have to go to the Subtitles tab, where you'll be able to subtitle your clips one by one depending on the amount of audio clips. It'll take only a few seconds to generate, and after it does, you can easily customize your subtitles or even animate them. Optionally, you can even add in some background music. For that, just head over to the Audio tab and drag a song you like onto the video. Make sure to lower the volume by a bit so that it doesn't overpower the voiceover. All that's left is to export the video. For that, you'll want to head over to the top right of the page and click Export, which will lead you to a new page where your video will spend a minute or two processing. After the processing part is done, you'll be able to save your video onto your computer. Chapter 3. Finalization. The only thing left to do is to post the edited video onto your YouTube channel. This will be pretty simple, but we'll use a little bit of AI to help us out. For the video title, we'll simply want to use the AI-generated title we chose for the topic of the video. If you scroll down to the Tags section, instead of manually writing down the tags, you'll want to head over to the Rapid Tags website and put in your video title in the input box. It will then generate the best possible tags for your video, making your SEO much higher than usual. You then only need to copy the given tags and paste them into your tag box. Now the thumbnail. This part will be quite easy with the help of thumbnail.ai, as all you'll need to do is input the video title, and then the thumbnail will be generated for you. You can change up the background image and the text color to make it a bit more appealing, and voila, the thumbnail has been made. Simply save it, download, and attach onto your YouTube video. That was all you needed to do to create your AI-generated YouTube video. It wasn't so hard after all, huh? Now all you need to do is be consistent with your content and be patient for views to come to you. If you found this video valuable, subscribe to our channel as more guides such as this are about to come.